Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe. So today we are starting a new lesson number 4, heat of class 7. Now, first of all, what do you mean by heat? Heat से आप क्या समझते हैं? Heat, you can say that the hotness of something. If you touch something, then if it is hot, then you will feel the heat. In summers, we feel hot. We feel the heat. Why? Because there are sun rays, and what we do to avoid heat? We switch on the ACs or fans to get the coolness. We wear cotton clothes to avoid the heat, and whereas in winters it is cold. So to avoid cold, we wear woolen clothes. Now, how can you say that something is hot or cold? कोई चीज़ गर्म है या ठंडी है, इसका आप कैसे पता लगा सकते हैं? देयर आर टू ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट, आइदर बाय टेस्टिंग. किसी चीज़ को आप टेस्ट करके बता सकते हैं. सपोज आई हैव गिवन द 2 glass of water to you. In one glass there is the boiled water, hot water, and in other glass there is the cold water. Now if I ask you, tell me which glass has hot water and which glass has cold water, then how can you tell it? By tasting you can tell, or otherwise by touching you can tell it. तो दो तरीके से हम बता सकते हैं कि कोई चीज़ गर्म है या ठंडी है. एक तो हम उसे टेस्ट करके बता सकते हैं, बट देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स विच कैन नॉट बी टेस्टेड. सो वी कैन टेल बाय टचिंग द ऑब्जेक्ट वेदर इट इज हॉट और कोल्ड. Now the other thing is, if I ask, tell me how much the water is cold and how much the water is hot, will you be able to tell the quantity? Will you be able to tell the number? आप कैसे बताएंगे कि कितना गर्म है वाटर जो मैंने आपको दिया है या कितना ठंडा है वाटर? तो there is a quantity to measure it. What it is called? Now, first of all, heat. What is the definition of heat? Heat, it is a form of energy which makes any object hot or cold. Heat क्या है? एक तरीके की एनर्जी है जो किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को हॉट और कोल्ड बनाती है. Now second comes temperature. Temperature is the quantity, or we can say degree of hotness or coldness of any object. टेम्परेचर एक क्वांटिटी है जिससे हम बता सकते हैं कि कोई चीज़ कितनी ठंडी है या कितनी गर्म है. लाइक आई हैव गिवन यू द एग्जांपल ऑफ वाटर, दैट टेल मी हाउ मच द वाटर इज कोल्ड एंड हाउ मच द वाटर इज हॉट. देन हाउ कैन यू टेल इट? बाय मेजरिंग इट्स टेम्परेचर. सो टेम्परेचर इज द क्वांटिटी, और वी कैन से इट इज अ डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. Now, what is the instrument by which you can measure the hotness or coldness of something? किस चीज से आप measure कर सकते हैं? Is there any device by which you can tell? Yes, there is, and it is a very common device. आप सभी के घरों में होती है. It is the thermometer. Yes. By thermometer we can tell, by measuring from the thermometer we can tell how much the object is hot or cold. So what is thermometer? Thermometer is a device used for measuring temperature. There are 2 types of thermometer known. First is clinical thermometer and other one is digital thermometer. Clinical thermometer is available in your home. Very easily you can find in each and everybody home. सबके घरों में होता है thermometer for measuring the fever. When you get fever, your body becomes hot. So to measure it, how much degree you have the temperature, you can use the thermometer. Clinical thermometer we can use. And what is the digital thermometer? Digital thermometer is used in the laboratories. The difference between both these thermometers, clinical thermometer and digital thermometer, we will discuss it on later in the other video. Now in this video I will tell you about the scales. Basically there are 3 scales for measuring the temperature. 3 scales से हम temperature measure कर सकते हैं. First it is degree Celsius, second it is degree Fahrenheit, and other one is Kelvin. but the commonly used are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. We can write Celsius scale as degree and Celsius. Degree C, we can write degree Celsius as this. And how we can write Fahrenheit? Degree F. Fahrenheit degree is written as this. Now there is the lower fixed point and upper fixed point. Means किसी भी thermometer में lower और upper fixed point होते हैं. तो in Celsius scale it is lower fixed point is 0 degree Celsius and upper fixed point is 100 degree Celsius. While in Fahrenheit scale the lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and the upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Now next, coming to relation between degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Degree Celsius और degree Fahrenheit में क्या relation है? Relation, by relation we mean if you have given the temperature in degree Celsius and you have asked to convert it into degree Fahrenheit, how will you convert it? Or vice versa. If the temperature is given in degree Fahrenheit and you have been asked to convert it into degree Celsius, how will you be able to convert it? So there is the formula for that. If you have to find the temperature in Fahrenheit and the Celsius scale is given, then you can use this formula. F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. This is the formula for calculating the temperature in degree Fahrenheit. And for calculating the temperature in degree Celsius, if the degree Fahrenheit temperature is given, you can use this formula. C is equal to 5 upon 9 bracket F minus 32. Now I have written two examples here just to show how can you do this conversion. So let us consider first example. First example is convert 77 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Means the temperature is given in degree Fahrenheit and you have to convert it into degree Celsius. So which formula we can use? We can use this formula because the temperature is given in degree Fahrenheit and we have to find the degree Celsius. So by putting the values in the formula, it's C is equal to 5 by 9 bracket F minus 32. This is the formula. Now 5 by 9 upon what is the value given of degree Fahrenheit? It is 77. So we have put 77 instead of F minus 32. Now by calculating 5 by 9 into 77 minus 32, it comes 45. So it becomes 5 by 9 into 45. 9 and 45 gets cancelled out by 5. 9 5s are 45 होता है, cancel कर दिया हमने. So here we get 5 into 5. That means 25 degrees Celsius. So if the temperature is given in 77 degree Fahrenheit, then its Celsius scale would be 25 degrees Celsius. Means these two values are same. आप चाहे 77 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट बोलिए या 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस बोलिए, दोनों का मतलब एक ही है. द डिफरेंस बीइंग वन वैल्यू इज इन डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट एंड द अदर वैल्यू इज इन डिग्री सेल्सियस. क्वांटिटी अलग अलग है, यूनिट्स अलग अलग है, पर मेजरमेंट सेम है, दोनों का मतलब सेम है. Like in maths you have done the conversions that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So if you say that I have brought 1 kilogram sugar, or you can say I have brought 1000 grams of sugar, both means the same. Same is here, same is the case here. चाहे आप 77 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट बोलिए या 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस बोलिए, दोनों का एक ही मतलब है. It is the equal temperature. Now let's see the other example. Example 2. It is convert 40 degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Here the unit is given in degree Celsius. Degree Celsius quantity given है and you have to find the temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So what we can use? We have to use this formula. F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. By putting the value of C here, what is the value of C? It's 40 degrees Celsius given. So we have to put 40 here plus 32. Now cutting this 5 by 40. It's 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40 होता है. इसको काटा Now what happens, 9 8 72 plus 32 इधर से आ गया, तो 72 plus 32 is equal to 104 degree Fahrenheit. Same whether you can say 40 degree Celsius or you can say 104 degree Fahrenheit, both means the same. एक ही मतलब है, चाहे आप बोलिए 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस है टेम्परेचर या बोलिए 104 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट है, ये दोनों इक्वल क्वांटिटीज हैं. So this is all for today's video. In this video what we have covered? We have covered the definition of heat. Heat क्या होती है? एक तरीके की एनर्जी है जो ऑब्जेक्ट की हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस बताती है कि कितना हॉट है ऑब्जेक्ट और कितना कोल्ड है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट टेम्परेचर. टेम्परेचर हमने पढ़ा द डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट, कि कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट कितना गर्म है, कितनी क्वांटिटी गर्म है उसकी और कितना ठंडा है, तो वो एक पर्टिकुलर डिग्री क्या है जो हम बता सकें, तो दैट इज द टेम्परेचर. नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू थर्मामीटर. थर्मामीटर हमने पढ़ा था, थर्मामीटर इज अ डिवाइस बाय विच वी कैन मेजर द टेम्परेचर. Two types of thermometers are available, clinical and digital. Overview I have given the detailed video of this clinical and digital thermometer. We will understand later on. Now scales, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Celsius scale 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. This is the lower fixed point and this one is the upper fixed point of Celsius scale. Second is Fahrenheit scale. 32 degree Fahrenheit is the lower fixed point and 212 degree Fahrenheit is the upper fixed point. Then we have learnt about relation between degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Means if a value is given in one scale, then how will you convert that in another scale? For that we have learnt two formulas. For finding the value in Fahrenheit, we can use this formula 9 by 5 upon 9 by 5 C plus 32, and for finding the value in Celsius scale, if Fahrenheit value is given, we can use this formula C is equal to 5 upon 9 bracket F minus 32. Then we have solved these two examples how we can convert it. So this is all for today. Let's meet tomorrow for the next topic, that is the types of thermometer, clinical thermometer and digital thermometer, that we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you and have a good day, students.